Hello, hi guys. This is CA Balakrishna from lecturepedia.in. How are you? Hope you people are doing well. Even I am fantastic. See, one of the factor that determines how many marks you are going to secure in MCQ paper is when you are attempting this MCQ paper. Basically, in the examination, you will be having 3 hours to write 100 marks paper, right? Now, of these 3 hours, when you are writing MCQ paper, whether you are writing it in first hour or second hour or third hour, this will impact the number of marks you are going to secure in the MCQ paper. How? Let us see whether you can start your MCQ paper in the third hour. Okay, first 2 hours you are writing the theory paper, and third hour you wanted to write MCQ. Whether you can do like this? If you ask me, I will say no. You please don't start your MCQ paper in the third hour. Why? Because let's say you are not able to complete the theory paper in the first 2 hours. In that case, you will be having the remaining theory paper and also MCQs pending. Now in this situation, you will not be able to properly concentrate on the MCQ paper just because of the reason that still you are having some pending questions to write in the theory paper. So the pressure will build up and you cannot properly write MCQ paper. So I will never suggest you to start MCQ paper in the third hour. So remaining first hour, second hour. Now in this, whether you can start your MCQ paper in the first hour. Basically, ICAI, they will be providing you 15 minutes reading time, right? In that 15 minutes reading time, you will read the question paper. Basically, in these 15 minutes, most of the students, they will read the question paper first. The theory paper they will read first. If time is remaining, then they will read MCQ paper. So since you have read theory paper, the question paper in the first 15 minutes, it would be more beneficial to start the first hour of the examination with theory questions only. Okay, since you have read in the 15 minutes and you have decided which questions to write first and which questions to write last, this idea you have got, so it is better to start the theory paper in the first hour. So first hour you write your theory paper, then in the second hour now you start your MCQ. Okay, now writing this MCQ paper in the second hour is having a benefit. How? Now in the second hour you will start your MCQ paper. Mostly within 40 minutes or 50 minutes you will be completing this MCQ paper mostly. And there might be some MCQs that you don't know and you need some time to think over these MCQs. Now these MCQs which you have left or which you don't know, which which require some time for thinking, these you can think in the third hour. Okay, by writing the theory paper, simultaneously you can also think the balance MCQs, and you can also once cross check the MCQs that you have already attempted, whether I have wrote those MCQs correctly or not. Okay, simultaneously by writing this theory paper in the third hour. So this way you will be able to get maximum marks in the MCQs. Okay, see, planning is very important. Okay, if you fail to plan properly, then it will have a high impact on the marks that you secure. So my suggestion is to please start your examination with theory paper, then in the second hour write MCQs, and in the third hour again come to theory. This would be the best approach. Okay, hope this technique is useful to you. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. See you.